Hello everyone, welcome to Basic to Advanced SAP End Users Training. My name is Hariyar Prasad Kevat and I'm having 10 plus years of experience. This course is basically designed for SAP end users and SAP non-end users. So SAP end users are those who are already using SAP as a end user, is their day-to-day business activities they're already posting in SAP. So this is for them. If they want to enhance their skill, they can take up this course. And it is also suitable for those who are not working in SAP. So for all of them, this course is suitable. They can learn SAP and then can work in SAP as a end users. So in this course, what we are going to cover? We are going to cover SAP R2R process. R2R means record to report. In this R2R process, I'm going to cover how to record the transactions, how to prepare the ledgers, how to prepare trial balance, how to prepare financial statements like profit and loss account, your balances, then how to do ratio analysis and how to do reporting. So this process will be covered in the R2R process. In SAP P2P process, P2P means it is procure to pay basically. So in this we'll be learning how to handle different kind of purchases like PO based and non PO based purchases, like purchase requisition creation, then purchase order creation, then goods receipt posting, then vendor invoice posting, then payment, how to make the payment to the vendors, then how to do reconciliation. You will also be learning how to handle your two-way matching process, three-way matching process. So all this process we are going to cover into P2P process. Similarly, we have SAP O2C process. Here we'll be covering order to cash. O2C means it is order to cash. So once customer gives us order, how to create sales order in SAP, how to do delivery of the goods to the customer, how to send them billing document, how to generate the billing document or invoice also, how to generate the billing document in SAP, then how to get the money from the customer, how to do the accounting of customer payment or customer collection, that is known as also cash application, then how to do reconciliation. So all this process we are going to handle in the O2C process. Then we are also going to learn SAP banking process. You know that if you want to do either vendor payment or if you want to take the collection from the customer, banking is should and must. So how to create the bank in SAP, that process we are going to learn. Then we are also going to learn taxation process, how to deal input tax, output tax, unless input VAT, output VAT, or input GST, output GST. All the process we are going to learn about the taxation. Okay. Similarly, we are also going to learn asset accounting from end user point of view, like how to acquire the asset, how to capitalize the asset, how to run the depreciation, how to retire the asset, in retirement how to scrap the asset, then how to transfer the asset. So all this process we are going to learn in the asset accounting part. Then we have SAP reporting. We'll also explore few more areas of SAP reporting given by SAP. So we'll cover what are the reports may be required from the legal point of view, maybe from management point of view, maybe from other stakeholder point of view. So all those report also will try to explore. So this course is basically designed for the end users. If they want to build their career or start their career in SAP, they can take up this course. It will be highly useful because I'm going to cover practical point of view, and I'm also going to cover with so many real-time examples, and this will be one of the best course for the individuals. Thank you so much. See you in next slide. Thank you.